Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to walk you through how to add a product on Etsy step by step. So the first thing you need to do here is to go to etsy.com and of course sign in or create an account, and then click on sell on Etsy, or you just need to tap on this one. So as you can see here, the shop manager. And then right after that one guys, you just need to follow the prompts to set up your shop. So this includes choosing your shop name, currency, and then the location. So of course guys, I won't be showing the actual setup since this website requires a valid shop account. But I'm going to explain exactly what to do. So here guys, once you're done, you'll be able to start adding your first product listing. So what you need to do here is after setting up your shop, you need to go to shop manager. So this one. So here's where you can upload the product photos and add a title and write a description that clearly explain what you're selling. So you also need to select the right category, pricing, and then the quantity. And then next guys is you can set your shipping options. So it includes where you'll ship from, delivery times, and the shipping fees. And then after that guys, you can review everything and then click preview to make sure your product looks great. And then right after that one, finally guys, once you're happy with everything, you can click your product to publish. So this website charges a small listing fee, and then your product will go live for customer to see and buy. And that's it guys. Even though I cannot show you the exact process, I hope this walkthrough helped you understand how it works. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials.